Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Rakuten for cashback strategies in the USA. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Rakuten website at www.rakuten.com. Click on the Join Now button to create your account. Fill out the required information, including your email address and password. Once completed, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your account. After verifying, log in to your Rakuten account. Next, explore the home page to find popular retailers offering cashback. Use the search bar if you have a specific store in mind. Once you find a retailer, click on their logo to access the cashback offer. Take note of the cashback percentage listed next to the store. Click on the Shop Now button to be redirected to the retailer's website. Make your purchases as you normally would on the retailer's site. After completing your order, return to Rakuten to see your cashback pending. To increase your cashback, consider using the Rakuten browser extension. Install the extension to automatically activate cashback alerts. Periodically check your Rakuten account for updates on your cashback balance. Once your cashback is confirmed, you can request a payout. Choose your preferred payment method, either through PayPal or a check. Remember to check for special promotions or bonus cashback offers regularly. Explore the Rakuten app for convenient on-the-go access to cashback deals. Set up notifications to stay updated on new cashback opportunities. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your cashback strategies with Rakuten. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.